He probably heard you, Chuck, so he brought it out.
No, he said he was gonna get it.
You're so nice, Jeremy.
Why'd you bring the Coke out? Where's your cups?
You don't do you know what I did?
Leave it in there, Jeremy.
I just sucked off.
Can I have a marshmallow?
Aiden, careful, please don't knock him over.
Yeah, it's alright. No.
Aiden, you have to. Can I have a marshmallow?
Huh?
Aiden, just
Okay,
right
put these
there.
ones
I have
back,
the
baby.
marshmallow.
Okay,
Because how are we gonna
any of
drink
these
that?
are...
I kind of don't want to be in charge of the
It's
marshmallow.
okay, we can come inside if we want to drink, but you can bring yourself a bottle of water. Love you, thank you. Yo, you want to fan this out? I'm gonna go help.
Why don't we put the fan out here to blow it?
Okay, guys, can we do a boomerang?
What's boomerang?
Let's all put our marshmallows down. Okay?
Okay, hold on. I don't even have one.
Shoot, I was making a.
Oh, can you give me another?
There's a stick right there.
I burned it for the biscuit.
Where's marshmallow?
Stole mine.
Where's my marshmallow?
Here, Mom, behind Kim, behind Kim.
I burned it for the Visco.
Where's this go?
Visco's like an Instagram, kind of.
Okay, ready?
But nobody's on it.
Kim, you lost your marshmallow.
I know.
Okay, you're supposed to have a marshmallow on it.
Oh, got it. Wait. Why don't you fan it so it's big?
Guys, people who put marshmallows
Aubrey,
like
fan
this
it for a
can't
second so it's big.
Can we just do a thing?
In the name of the natives.
Okay, wait, guys.
of
I only have 4%.
Wait,
Ready?
hold on.
One. Okay, everybody's thing has to be up. Oh no, wait, maybe down. Is it up first and then down?
What is
Aubrey,
this,
this
like
is a
Harry
weak
Potter?
fire. This is weak.
You guys were supposed to. You guys failed.
So, like this, right? This is a boomerang.
No, you. Okay, let's put it up here
Mom
and
knows
then
at least.
we go down by 3.
Mom knows what a boomerang is.
Yeah, we do it like this.
That works.
How about like this? To the right, to the right, to the right, right. To the left, to the left. Okay, let's eat our marshmallow.
Yay! I actually like almost got it perfect.
Honestly, guys, you guys are slipping if you're not having any s'mores.
Why?
It's actually like
The best.
I should dad to come here.
Sleeping. I don't know.
Where's Christine and Jackie?
Inside it looks like a lava, guys.
They're living the lives of a regular couple.
Like a what?
Doing laundry.
Aiden, are you feeling?